Today, I'm showing you how to log out of your Facebook account on other devices from your Android phone. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Facebook app. Open the Facebook app on your Android phone. You'll be on the Facebook homepage where you can view posts and stories. Step 2. Go to Menu. Tap the menu icon in the bottom or top right corner, the 3 horizontal lines. Step 3. Access Settings. Scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy, then tap Settings. Step 4. Open Account Center. In Settings, tap Account Center. Step 5. Go to Password and Security. Scroll down to the Account Settings section and tap on Password and Security. Step 6. Access Security Check. In the Security Check section, tap on Where you're logged in. Step 7. View active sessions. Here, you can see all devices currently logged into your Facebook account, including phones, tablets, computers, and browsers. Step 8. Tap on Your Facebook account to view detailed login activity and all devices where you're logged in. Step 9. Choose devices to log out of. Review the list of active devices. At the bottom, tap on Select Devices to log out. Step 10. Select Devices. Check the boxes next to each device you want to log out of. You can select multiple devices at once. Step 11. Log out. After selecting all unwanted devices, tap Log Out at the bottom. Step 12. Confirm logout if prompted. Those devices are now logged out of your Facebook account. And that's it. You've successfully logged out of your Facebook account on other devices from your Android phone.